Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy. I like your style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for a chillest analyst. Today we're going to talk about the 23-man squad that has been made by Helman Mkhelele, who is the assistant of coach Hugo Broos. Helman Mkhelele has announced the Bafana Bafana squad, and I saw that there's a huge changes in the Bafana Bafana squad after Helman Mkhelele is the one who announced it. Those who didn't know, the squad will be playing the Chen tournament, which will be taking place on the 28th of February this month, guys, and on the 9th of March. Bafana Bafana will be playing up against Egypt, and Bafana Bafana will be looking to eliminate Egypt, guys, because we know that Egypt is also one of the greatest giants, especially in football. Yeah, we know that they have been doing good. They also have a good record of some of the best players playing in overseas. So yes, guys. Uh, so the 23-man squad that Helman Mkhelele has announced, I thought maybe I was hoping maybe Hugo Broos was gonna announce it, but now that Helman Mkhelele has announced the squad, we could see that we see some of the changes, big changes in the squad, or maybe it is the management who've decided that maybe Helman Mkhelele must put his own players on the 23-man squad this time around, because we don't see players like Relebule Mofokeng and Patrick Tito Maswanganyi. Also, Tebogo Mokoena for Sundowns is not there. He's some of the best players that we know, but Tapelo Morena also is not there. So yes, guys, we don't know if this Chen tournament, maybe we taking it with a different dimension, or I don't know, but we'll see. But yes, guys, I have for you that squad for Helman Mkhelele, guys, and this is what he has for us. Um, on the first one is Samkelo Zulu. Samkelo Xulu, I meant to say yes. He's a defender, of course, you all know Samkelo Xulu. Jody February is also part of the squad. Spamandla Gumede from Orlando Pirates. Aiden McCarthy, Bilal Baloi, Yandisa Mfolozi, Tylen Smith from Stellenbosch, Nkosi Mkaba, Ndudumo Mhlongo is also part of that squad, Golden Arrows player. Terence Mashego, Bongane Sam, guys. I don't know if you still remember Bongane Sam from Orlando Pirates, is now playing for Kaiser Chiefs. Yes, is also part of that squad. Semise Abi also is. I think he doesn't have a team at this moment. Azola Tobedi, he started gaining his appearances now for Orlando Pirates. So yeah, we can't wait to see him as well. Neoma Emma, I don't see him playing for Mamelodi Sundowns anymore. The starting lineup, bench is not there, but maybe it's the new coach strategy. We'll see as time goes on. Yanga Madiba, guys, Yanga Madiba, the young man for Orlando Pirates, is also in the squad of Helman Mkhelele. Kutlwano Letlaku is part of that squad. We know what Kutlwano Letlaku is doing at Mamelodi Sundowns. Munnapule Saleng, guys. Munnapule Saleng, one of the best players in South Africa, one of the best talent South Africa has produced in years, guys. So yes, guys. So he's also nominated in that squad. So what do you think about Munapulen's nomination, guys? Yeah. Anyway, let me continue with. So another player that is in the squad who's from SuperSport is Donay Jansen, and also Keletso Sifama, guys, is from Sekhukhune FC. Tenda Mutsumu Matozi, yeah, also from SuperSport United, guys. Tulani Mini and Jamie Weber, guys. Yes, so this is the squad, guys, that I wanted to tell you guys about. Please, guys, don't stay behind, because this is the squad that we will be playing up against Egypt, guys, on the 28th of January, which is this month, guys. Yes, of February, I meant to say. Yes, so yeah, it's February, guys, so it's this month. And then on the 9th of March also, Egypt will be playing against Bafana Bafana. So I hope this squad will help us, guys, win, because we know that Bafana Bafana has been doing well. Yes, guys, so it's not the first time we meet Egypt, and we're gonna beat them, guys, because I also remember that we met them in the AFCON. Yes, and then we beat Egypt, guys. If I still remember, the man who scored that goal, the winning goal, was Thembinkosi Lorch. Yeah, Thembinkosi Lorch, or was it a draw, something like that? But yeah, the man who killed Egypt's dreams in the AFCON was Thembinkosi Lorch. Yes, the jersey number 23 for Bafana Bafana at that time. So yes, guys, so I just wanted to hear your thoughts. What do you want to say about Monapule Saleng's nomination in the Bafana Bafana camp one more time, guys, because we know that how talented he is. His situation with Orlando Pirates at the moment, Al Ahly drama. Monapule Saleng. But what can we say? Anyway, guys, I can't wait to see Monapule Saleng entering the field and showing us the best performance. We know what he can do, obviously. I remember this other day, Orlando Pirates was playing with the, was playing with Swallows, guys, and then Monapule Saleng scored a cracker from the right hand side of the penalty area of Swallows. Monapule Saleng scored a cracker going in between of the hands of the goalkeeper. So, I mean, everybody wants to see that guy in the field, guys. That's why he's nominated. I mean, he's been doing it. He's consistent, so we know that he deserves it. He deserves it. And hopefully, he's also gonna play AFCON, and he's gonna play a World Cup. We need him back on the field, whatever happens, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please keep on supporting my channel, guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for chillest analyst.